Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Josh with Train Children Chess. We're gonna have, what are we gonna have? We're gonna have chess play. My mind is thinking about that lady coming late. This is what I used to do when I used to record rabbits and mess around a lot, so we never got nothing done. We're having a pizza party and my nose is clogged up, so let's redo that one. Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Josh with Train Children Chess Academy. I just want to let you guys know that we're having an awesome spring break chess camp starting April 2nd. It's going to be 4 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, April 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have chess playing time, chess lessons, sports, and activities for the kids. We're having a pizza party on the last day, Friday, and I'm doing a secret surprise. I'm bringing the shaved ice truck for the kids so they can have a lot of fun and enjoy some shaved ice. So if you want to sign up, there's a button below this video right here, and you can sign up, and we'll see you guys there.